orders for 150 mini blizzards.
Waiting for a good day to happen, you know. Waiting around through ups and downs.
50 done.
I'm just saying, look.
75 more. 10 more. Finally finished.